There are three main areas where we are using the HP grant as per se. First of it is in design education. What we have done is like we have created a design workshop in which undergraduate students are teaching the engineering design process to high school students. At the same time, this is also allowing us to provide an outreach activity to high school students in which they learn about the engineering design process, and hopefully this will motivate them to pursue a career in science and engineering.
So you want the cab not as a high street.
What it is there's Saturday academies or Saturday schools where we have different labs provided for the children to experience something that they'll never be able to experience in high school. Prepares them for college and just gives them an outlook on it so they can, instead of going and working straight out of high school, actually be interested in going to college.
To create a better toothpaste captain is required to improve on the flaws of current cats. For example, one of the flaws could be like...
And this has provided a tremendous resource to our undergraduate students for doing a very detailed level of analysis.
The ones with the guesses, as you can see, those are the ones that went to a further scoring matrix.
When I was there and able to help the students, I would have to go and look at all of my past experiences and be able to break it down to explain it to someone in high school. And to do that, you actually have to really understand the process.
Yeah, so this is one problem, right? So you want to get design the cat out of that. I also have to use that blue one too, because I use that one. And it's
They ask basically the high school students to solve an engineering problem using the design process methodology. Typically, they are in the workshop. We have given them toothpaste cap design or paper holder design, and they are asked to create novel designs using the process itself. So they go through brainstorming, they go through concept selection, and then they also go through detailed design in which students help them to create CAD models and software. And finally, at the end of it, they basically whatever they have created, that is prototyped through a rapid prototyping technology machine. And then we send them the rapid prototyping parts back to them, and so that they can see what they have really designed. Letting students for different demographics see what are the possibilities, what are the things happening in engineering, and maybe help them in pursuing a career in engineering and sciences.
And we have a lot of different students that come to Fresno State from Bakersfield, from Visalia, from all the way up north. And if we have this grant at Fresno State, it gives them the opportunity to experience something in engineering that they would have to go out of the valley to actually experience. So it's really good that we have the opportunity for them to experience something that's highly technical.
And what you do is kind of like a lead pen, so you would push the bottom and it would let out like a uniform amount of toothpaste on, like literally onto the toothbrush, like from behind.
Other experiences have been access to high-end tools like tablet PCs and softwares which we did not have before. So they are able to interact with new tools and new softwares which was not possible before. So that's another improvement. At the same time, this grant has given us a tremendous computational resource to do a very high-end complex analysis which was not possible. Previously, servers or workstation used to crash when we are doing like very computationally intensive work. But now with this resource, they are able to see the results of very complex simulations and stuff which was not possible before. So that's also an addition.
The students they've had the opportunity to use new softwares and new hardware through the HP grant, all the different HP equipment.
Undergraduate students through design workshop have been able to teach. So firsthand they have been able to experience the value of teaching and what is associated with the teaching process.
Instead of learning in a classroom, you're actually doing it from the heart, something that you love.